Here we go, folks. First use of my Perdura Brushes Deck Boss. Woohoo! Dipping it in some Rubal solid body stain. And we're gonna go to town on this big deck. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Look at that. Wow! This is one-handed. Yeah, I just painted about 8-9 feet of deck. Sweet. That brush is awesome. More product there. Hey there. So I'm using the Deck Boss by Perdura Brushes. I'm going across this whole deck. I'm really making really great time. I'm using up the product. The 7-inch wide brush really throws the product down. Makes it much easier to do decks. It gets in all the grooves with these long bristles. It's so easy. I mean, I can do this one-handed while I'm videotaping. Painting is not easy, so I'm not saying it's easy, but it's easy. And when I'm using it with two hands, it's even better. But see this last section I'm doing here next to the house, I can reach out with this pole and feather it in, brush it out. It gets all the grooves, these gaps at once, and then when I lay it off and let go, or let off like that. Lay it off and let up. So this Perdura Deck Boss, I'm giving it a 10 out of 10 stars. 10 out of 10 rating. This Deck Boss ain't no joke. By Perdura Brushes. This is some quality tools right here. You can't do this. You can't do that with other stain brushes. So I'm loving the Deck Boss. Thank you, Perdura. Keep rocking the quality brushes.